So I'm alone here at the hotel, and I'm planning to go to the Elephant Mountain in Zhongshan, 6 Rocks. Maybe I'll put description here, and let me try. If masaag, mangita ko way para lang maka kuan sa MRT. Kay MRT ang ilahang transpo dere, and I have the Taipei map here, and also the MRT. So I will try myself, like musakagit sa mountain kaya na ako nakita dito, pero wala ko yung mga kauban guys. So maratag, good luck for me. Isa lang ka linya sa station, the red one going to Zhongshan. So good luck. So what I will bring is the map. I have the map here. Also other activities in Taipei. Here also the passport, and I will bring the big, super big power bank, my wallet, and all, like my here the card train I bought in 7-Eleven. It's gold. Charot, nag-bag haul. I will put here my important, the charger. Kay mulubat today, di nakakauli para ba tayo load, at least na atay copy sa mga Chinese something, like I screenshot na, like how do I get to MRT, ako lang screenshot and all. And another phone, and only this, my, by the way, this is the NW, the tripod. It's a tripod for pug, because 4 legs, you can push here and easy to like that. Like ang height din, kay taas pa sa ako. If this is my height, then maybe here, like this. So nindit din siya for vlogging, because this is 30 na. Someone chat. Okay, so I'll put my phone here, and then I will go na. I will bring this also, my eyelash. So I take it too much for that thing. Maybe I'll put some lipstick. Okay, nawala na ako lipstick. Here. Then I will bring also a I have already candy in my bag from Philippines, and also here it's a Taiwan candy for emergency purpose. And I will bring I will bring water because I will do hike. So bye, this is my outfit. Wait now. This is my outfit, like it's a whole dress and shoes. So I'm going I'm going to now. It's time is 3 p.m. Almost 3 p.m. And the bit alone. So update with me. Nasaad ko. Kaya pag gibugos na ako, wrong guy nga escalator akong ginaugan. And then sa pikas guy siya, which is the other platform. So this is the main station. Looks like inside. So we are here. And we are going there. And we're RO2. And the red line. And alone. So go back with me. So update with me. I did my own. Shangjian Park. Going to Elephant Rock Mountain, something like that. So I made up my mind. Like I'm here. Zhangchuan Park. So update with me. I'm going to that mountain for about 20 minutes. They said 20 minutes. So let's try if hindi mo ko masakag or I don't know. This is the streets here. So let's try. So they said that it takes 20 minutes, but the hike is only 1 kilometer away from the station. So good luck with me. Just look at the street, like it's like not in Philippines. I'm in Taiwan, pero it looks like I'm in Japan too, because these trees turning yellow when it's autumn. And they is going summer na kasi sa sun na, sun. So this is the street. We're going to hike. Like akong mga kauban sa train kay mga farmers like American and something like they bring big. This is the cherry blossom daw. The one that kalbo na is on December. So this is the vibe. So update with me. Like so update with me, I'm in the top na. With the 101 like a so this is the street. Like I will take picture na lang later. Looks like stairs from Chocolate Hills in Bohol. Like manageable lang, like this. Going this is the trail going up. So if you're planning to go here, you need to bring this. I get this from our hotel for free. So just arrived. Maybe this is the station 1. If Hike going up. So I'm here at the second station, I think, and the third, fourth, fifth, and we finished. So it is 725. Okay. So update, this is the view, but so many trees also. So later na I'll update you.